good afternoon all. So let us start the session. So this is the course. So artificial neural networks. In this we have 6 units. So first unit regarding introduction and ANN structure. Second unit regarding mathematical foundations and learning mechanisms. In third unit you are going to learn about single layer perceptions. In fourth unit, so feed forward ANN. In fifth unit, so radial basis function networks. So coming to sixth, support vector machines. We are going to learn about these topics in ANN. So what is the ANN means? So ANN is a artificial neural networks. In today class, we are going to learn about introduction and ANN structure. So what is neural network? Our course title is ANN. Say ANN networks. So before going to discuss about neural networks, artificial neural networks, so first we are going to discuss about, so what is neural network? I hope you all are know about what is network. So what is a network? So network is a combination of different nodes. I hope you all are know the complete your CN. In that you know the definition of network. So what is a network means? So network is a combination of different nodes. So what is the neural networks? If the nodes are neurons, if the nodes are neurons, then we call that as a neural network. So artificial neural network is commonly referred as neural network. So that means, so this is the neural network that mimic your brain. Okay. So neural network is nothing but the neurons, and it creates some network, and these neurons are transmitting data from one neuron to another neuron. So that we are called as a brain. So natural neural network we are called as a brain. So now, so what is the artificial neural network means? If you mimic these neural network artificially, if you create a brain artificially, then we call that as a artificial neural network. Okay, so artificial neural network is commonly referred as neural network. It is motivated by human brain. Okay, the idea of artificial neural network is it want to create the human brain to process the data. So that is, the human brain computes in an entirely different way from the conventional digital computer. So for example, if I ask the question, so what is the answer for 100 minus 1? So 100 minus 1. In this, so this is the question. If you are going to give this question to the computer, how it calculates, and it's going to perform addition with minus 1. Okay, but coming to human brain, how it can calculate 100 minus 1? It's going to take 100, and in this 100 you are going to minus 1. That means here you are going to mimic, or you are going to create a human brain artificially. So that we are called as a artificial neural network. So artificial neural network commonly referred as a neural network. It is motivated by human brain. So that is, human brain computes in an entire different way from the conventional digital computer. So good afternoon all. In today's session we are going to discuss about introduction to ANN. So ANN means artificial neural networks. In this artificial neural network, I hope you all are know the definition of network. I hope you all are know what is network. So network is nothing but, so it's a group of nodes. For example, so this is the node. So if you establish any network between these nodes, so that we are called as a network. So this N means neuron. So neural network. That means here the nodes, all these nodes are neurons. Then we call this network as a neural network. what is artificial. For to understand what is artificial neural networks, first we are going to know the structure of brain. So how the brain, for example, if you want to create a human brain by using some ICs, then so that structure we are called as a ANN. That means artificial neural networks. A means artificial, N means neural, network means neural network. That means ANN is nothing but we are going to try to create or to mimic a new brain, human brain, by using electrical circuits and so normal biological neurons and artificial neurons. So what is the biological neurons and what is artificial neurons? So what is neural network? So neural network is nothing but if you create any artificial neural network by using any electronical components, that we are called as a neural networks. So commonly it is referred as neural networks, and it is motivated by human brain. That means it is an idea to create human brain artificially. How we are going to create the human brain artificially means so by using these artificial neural networks. That means by using some strategies, using some methodologies, you are going to mimic the human brain. So that is the human brain computes in an entirely different way from the conventional digital computer. Okay, I hope a few minutes back we discussed about this, the how the human brain computes, how the digital computer computes. That means there is so much difference so when comparing to brain. But if the brain want to if the human brain so computes or digital computer is try to computes like human brain, then you are going to solve many applications or you are going to solve many real-time problems. So for example, if you for example, how we can identify a person? So how we can identify a person means when we see a person, so this person image is stored in our mind. This person image stores in our mind. Now, so we can, if we see this person one more time, then that person image is computed. That means that image person is compared with the already stored person images. If the person matches, if it is matches with the stored person image, then automatically you can recognize the human. How much time you are going to take for this? So for this we are going to take less than 1 second. In less than 1 second only you are going to identify that he was known to you or not. And similarly, how digital computer can accomplish this task? So how you are going to accomplish the similar task so that we can achieve with the help of artificial neural network. Okay, the brain is highly complex, non-linear and parallel computer. So what it means, the brain is a highly complex. So highly complex is nothing but the brain is a combination of different neurons. For example, this is the brain. So in this brain there are different neurons. These are the neurons, let us assume like this. Okay, so now non-linear and parallel computer. So non-linear is nothing but each neuron is connected with many neurons. Each neuron is connected with many neurons like this. This neuron, all these are connected. So that we are called as a non-linear and parallel computer. Parallel computer is nothing but all these neuron is going to interact, are going to send or receive the messages to produce some output. So what is the brain? The brain is a highly complex. Why we are called as a complex means there are number of neurons and all these neurons are connected non-linearly. So non-linearly means one neuron is connected with many neurons. Okay, that we are called as a non-linear. And parallel computer. So parallel computer is nothing but at a time all these neurons are working together to find some solution to a problem. So we calling that the brain is highly complex, non-linear and parallel computer. Okay, so now I hope you all are understand what is ANN. So what we learn in this ANN course means, in this ANN course you are going to learn the methods that is try to mimic the natural human brain. Why we are going to create a artificial neural network means, now we are going to see one example. So based on this example, you are going to understand, so what is the purpose of ANN. So first one is experience. So experience is nothing but when we, how the human brain works. The human brain works so based on the experience. First, for example, so how we can identify a person. First, experience. First, you are going to store the image of the person in your brain. So that we are called as a learning experience or learning. A neural network is a machine that is designed to model the way in which the brain performs a particular task. A network is usually implemented by using electronic components or is simulated in software on a digital computer. So what is a neural network? A neural network is a machine that is designed to model the way in which the brain performs a particular task. A network is usually implemented by using electronic components or is simulated in simulated in software on a digital computer. That means the purpose of neural network, NN. NN or sometimes we are called as artificial neural networks, both are the same, is a machine. So for example, this is the machine. Now the purpose of this machine is to model the way, so how the brain thinks, how our brain thinks. In the similar way, if this network or if this machine will think, so that we are called as a artificial neural networks. To achieve so good results and performance, neural networks employ a massive interconnection of simple computing cells referred to as neurons or processing units. Okay, so coming to human brain, so human brain is a combination of neurons. So these are the neurons, let us. So these four are the neurons. So this first neuron is connected with remaining neurons. And the second, let us assume this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. The second neuron is connected with remaining 3 nodes. The third neuron is connected with remaining neurons. Similarly, fourth one. Okay, now if you observe that here we are taking only 4 neurons, but there are many connections. To achieve good results and performance, so neural network employ a massive interconnection of simple computing cells. So now we are going to employ, or you are going to design these neurons. If you are going to create some more number of neuron means you are going to solve big problems. That means based on these, based on your requirement, you are going to create these neurons. So these neurons we are called as a neurons or processing units. In brain we are called this as a neurons, but coming to so ANN, so these neurons we are called as a processing unit. Processing unit, these units can process the data and it returns some output. It receives the input and it processes the data and it returns some output. It resembles the brain in two aspects. So one is learning process. One is learning process. So for example, in your say LKG or UKG, if somebody asking that what is the answer for 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, at that age we don't tell anything. Why? Because we don't learn these things. We know the 8, we know the 6, but we don't know these operators. When you experience or when you learn about these operators, then onwards you are going to give the results. That means when you are trying to design any artificial neural network model, so the first concept is learning process. The first concept is learning. The brain is also resembles like this only. The brain also first step is they are going to learn process. There is a learning process. In first step, you are going to learn the something data. So now, in second one, the interneurons connection strengths known as synaptic weights are used to store the acquired knowledge. So that means, for example, I am going to give 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Now, in learning process, we are going to know what is a plus, what is a equals to, what is a 8, what is 6. Now, somebody says that the answer is 14. Now, the output is correct. So, there is no adjustment. So, for example, somebody says the answer is 15. Now, the expected output is wrong. So now you are going to adjust these output. Sorry, adjust these input. So it's a 14 actual answer. So, but we get the 15. So that means somebody gives 9 plus 6 or somebody gives 8 plus 7. Now we can adjust these inputs and again you are going to process the data. So interneuron connection strengths known as synaptic weights. That means we increase or decrease these weights. So based on that, you are going to produce the output, are used to store the acquired knowledge. Okay, that means, so if I say 8 plus 6 equals to 10, 8 plus 6 equals to 10, how we can say that? That means in my brain I am calculating such a way that we get the answer 10, but this is the wrong. So now I can strengthen my neurons by using synaptic weights. Are used to store the acquired knowledge. Actually, I want 8 plus 6 equals to 14. Instead of 14, I got 10. That means I can adjust the strength of the neuron. Thank you all.